Don't forget to put the tortillas in the refrigerator, okay?
Okay. It's obvious to me, Mia, that you seem to like cantaloupe over apple because you just left your apple. Oh, there you go. It's a piece of apple, Mia. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or the veterinarian in your case. Aw, you trying to give me them sad eyes? Say something for the camera. Hello to you too. Speak. You're on camera. Are you yielding the rest of your time like, no? We call her the bottomless pit because she never gets enough food.